How to fix Spotify Premium not activating or loading on the app. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix if your Spotify Premium isn't loading up. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you bought a new Spotify membership. Maybe it's time to renew your membership, whatever the reasons may be. You do have a premium account, you're sure of that, but when you log into the app, you don't have the premium account at all. The very first thing I wanted to check over here is to log into spotify.com from your browser. I'll make sure to drop a link below. Log in from your browser, then just check your plan right over here if you have a premium free plan. So if you have a free plan, most likely it is because your premium has actually expired, or maybe the payment details failed and you might want to upgrade it again. But in case you have a premium plan, what you want to do is first of all open up Spotify. And maybe you just bought premium. What you want to do is first of all log out of this current account. So to do that, just tap the gear icon from the top right hand side of the screen. Scroll down to the very bottom and then just select log out. And then just tap on log out again. Now once you've logged out of Spotify, I wouldn't recommend you to log in directly, but I just recommend you to open up your respective app store, and whether you're on Android or whether you're on iOS. In the search box, just go ahead and type in Spotify and just verify whether or not the Spotify app has an update available. If it does, then make sure to just tap on the update button. As you can see in my case as well, I have the update available. Update it to the latest version. After the update is complete, open the Spotify app, and then now you can log in to your latest Spotify premium account, and this time the premium will be successfully activated. The way you can know this is because if you don't have premium, you'll find the premium button from the bottom right. If you do have, you will not find the premium option. You'll be able to download songs and then have unlimited skips and features. So hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.